Turkey takes flight, the Hürjet advanced light attack aircraft. Turkey soars into the future with the Hürjet, its new supersonic freedom bird. This video takes you on an exclusive exploration of this next-generation aircraft. Witness the power. First look footage, get a glimpse of the Hürjet's sleek design and witness its thunderous maiden flight. Advanced features, uncover the Hürjet's cutting-edge avionics, including its powerful AESA radar and high-tech cockpit. Dual threat, see how the Hürjet excels as both a superior jet trainer for future Turkish aces and a potent light attack aircraft ready to defend the skies. What makes the Hürjet special? Domestic marvel, discover how the Hürjet marks a significant leap for Turkish aerospace development. Tech and performance, explore the Hürjet's impressive speed, range, and maneuverability, making it a force to be reckoned with. Future of Turkish aviation, learn how the Hürjet paves the way for a more self-sufficient Turkish Air Force. This video is perfect for aviation enthusiasts. Dive deep into the technical aspects of the Hürjet and its potential impact on the global market. Defense technology buffs, stay on top of the latest advancements in jet trainers and light attack aircraft. Anyone fascinated by Turkish innovation, witness the Hürjet's journey from concept to reality. Soar with the Hürjet and experience the future of Turkish air power. Hürjet, 50 facts about Turkey's new light attack aircraft. The Hürjet, meaning freedom bird in Turkish, is a single-engine, supersonic advanced jet trainer and light attack aircraft being developed by Turkish aerospace industries. Here are 50 facts to quench your thirst for knowledge about this exciting new aircraft. General characteristics. Developed by Turkish aerospace industries. First flight, August 18, 2023. Type, single engine, supersonic, tandem seat. Role, advanced jet trainer, light attack aircraft. Crew, 2. Length, approximately 43 feet. Wingspan, approximately 36 feet. Empty weight, estimated at around 15,000 pounds. Maximum takeoff weight, estimated at around 29,000 pounds. Engine, likely a single General Electric 4.0 G02 turbofan. Performance. Maximum speed, Mach 1.2. Cruise speed, around Mach 0.9. Maximum altitude, 45,000 feet. Range, 1,381 miles. Rate of climb, over 39,000 feet per minute. G limits, plus 8G to -3G. Takeoff run, approximately 3,300 feet. Landing run, approximately 2,600 feet. High maneuverability for air combat training. excellent performance for light attack missions. Armament. Internal weapons bay capable of carrying a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. Hardpoints for external underwing and wingtip stations for additional weapons and stores. .23mm rotary cannon. Air-to-air missiles. Air-to-ground missiles. Avionics and sensors. Advanced active electronically scanned array radar for superior detection and tracking. Electro-optical targeting system for day-night operations. Electronic warfare suite for self-protection. Modern glass cockpit with wide area displays. Integrated data link for secure communication and mission management. Development and production. Maiden flight of the prototype successfully completed in August 2023. Expected to enter serial production in the late 2020s. Designed to replace the aging Northrop T-38 Talon trainers in the Turkish Air Force. Potential for export to other countries seeking a modern and affordable jet trainer light attack aircraft. Aims to reduce reliance on foreign-made training aircraft. Significance for Turkey. Represents a significant leap forward in Turkish aerospace technology. Provides the Turkish Air Force with a highly capable trainer aircraft for future pilots. Enhances Turkey's domestic defense industry capabilities. Creates jobs and stimulates the Turkish economy. Strengthens Turkey's position as a regional aerospace player. Future development. Let's discuss in the comments. And if you're like me, smash that like button and subscribe for more discoveries in the military pixel world.